Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this last problem, which is 8 to the power of x times 8 to the power of x is equals to 36, to find the value of x. In the first step, as you know, a times a is equals to a square, right? So in here we have 8 to the power of x times 8 to the power of x, and it will be 8 to the power of x to the power of 2, right? Is equals to 36. And here, as you know, if we have a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equals to a to the power of mn. So in here it will be 8 to the power of 2 times x, it will be 2x is equals to 36. And here in next step we apply log to both sides of the equation, so it will be log of 8 to the power of 2x is equals to log of 36. And from log rules, if we have log of a to the power of b, in here we can take this b outside of log, it will be b times log a. So in here we can take this power 2x outside of log, so it will be 2x times log 8 is equals to log 36. And in next step, we divide both of this equation by log 8, so it will be this divided by log 8, and this divided by log 8. So this will cancel this, and 2x is equals to log 36 over log 8. And in next step, 2x is equals to log 36, and we can write 36 as 4 times 9, right? And over log 8. And in here, if we have log a times b, this is equals to log a plus log b. So it will be 2x is equals to log 4 times 9, so we can write this as log 4 plus log 9 over log 8. And in next step, we separate this fraction, and it will be 2x is equals to log 4 over log 8 plus log 9 over log 8. So in next step, 2x is equals to log 4. We can write 4 as 2 to the power of 2, and for denominator log 8, we can write 8 as 2 to the power of 3, right? Also for this fraction, we have log 9, so we can write 9 as 3 to the power of 2, and log 8 log 2 to the power of 3. So it will be 2x is equals to, and here we have log 2 to the power of 2, so we can take this power outside of log, it will be 2 times log 2, and also for denominator, we can take this 3 outside of log, it will be 3 times log 2, and for this fraction, it will be 2 times log 3, and 3 times log 2, and it will be 2x is equals to, in here log 2 will cancel this log 2, and it will be 2 over 3 plus, and for this fraction it will be 2 over 3 times log 3 over log 2, right? Log 3 over log 2. And from log rules, if we have log a over log b, we can write this as log a to base b. So it will be 2x is equals to 2 over 3 plus 2 over 3 times log 3 over log 2, so we can write this as log 3 to base 2. So we want to find the value of x, so we multiply both sides of the equation by 1 over 2. So 1 over 2 times 2x is equals to 1 over 2 times 2 over 3 plus 2 over 3 log 3 to base 2. In here, this 2 will cancel this, so x is equals to 1 over 2 times 2 over 3, it will be right in here, 1 over 2 times 2 over 3, and plus 1 over 2 times this, 1 over 2 times 2 over 3 log 3 to base 2. In here, these 2 will cancel this, also these 2 will cancel this, and it will be x is equals to 1 over 3 plus, in here it will be 1 over 3, right? 1 over 3 times log 3 to base 2. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.